So I look so weird and fun doing this part of the video. This is the tutorial for today. Oh, it's so eerie. It's scary. This is the tutorial for today. My name is Lyric. It's the same me. The thing is though, or the gag is, this actually started out as a skull look, bombed, failed tremendously. So this turned out into a scarecrow gypsy type thing. I don't know, honey, but I like it, and it's really simple. I'm not even wearing lashes. The thing though that I think that makes this look are these eyes. These eyes aren't no joke, honey. These are from TEAMIblends, and the style is called Zombie 1, and it's costume lens. Listen to me, these lens, they make the look. So even if you just wanted a nice smoky eye and want to add a bit of eeriness, you can definitely pop in some of these lens and you're like, yes girl, it's Halloween, I get it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this look. I have like blood all over me, well, fake blood. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Do enjoy this video and let me know what you guys think. Think about this intro, think about everything. I mean it's so isn't it eerie? Enjoy the video. Yo, my eyes look so piercing with these contacts. But anyway, this is another installation of my Halloween videos. Wait, flat down there. Does that make you squeamish, baby? That's it. So I have on my foundation and everything, and the hair is highlighted. I don't know if you can see that, but along here is not highlighted because of what I'm attempting to do today. I'm going to be doing my brow bone with the Sacha Buttercup powder, but this is in pressed form, and this is actually a sample. You can actually use the loose, but I like using the press because I have the press. So I figured I'll just eliminate a lot of steps because I want this to be a talk through. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but like the fan is on, both fans are on, and my Wakaman out the door. But I'm trying my best to be a good little YouTuber, good little nowadays YouTuber, and give you guys what you want. You want talk throughs? I'm here for it. Be prepared though for me to kind of speed through some steps. Maybe not. I may just leave everything up as is, but I know not everybody can devote like half an hour to watching a YouTube video, you know what I mean? So that's why I rarely do these. Yo, these contacts are sickening. Alright, so I've never done a skull makeup look before. And a Google skull makeup. This is Jonathan's iPad, by the way. So a Google skull makeup, and I've got like a Google skull makeup, and I got like the makeup looks, and I was like, yeah, but these are their interpretation of a skull makeup. So I actually Google like the actual skulls to see what they look like, and I'm so nervous. My teeth are white though, almost as white as my contacts. So let's do this together, right? We're gonna do this together, right? I'm nervous. Alright, so there's okay, I need one that's okay. So here is nice and chiseled. Alright, so let me, ooh, Sculpting in Paradise, perfect. Ooh, watch me blush palette, y'all's gonna save me today. So I'm going to be using hot cocoa first. Okay, hot cocoa. Whoa, you guys, whoa. So I'm then kind of pulling this down from there, you know, because this is actually I just should have been further down, like here. Anyway, I guess this is my own interpretation. So I'm just feathering it down. Yeah. And then I think I'm going to be taking my mat 224, and I think this 224 is a fake 224 because it furs out too quickly. And I'm going to take let's go with this bad boy here. I'm going to take black from the crayon case palette, this color here with my 224, and I'm going to go right under here. And then kind of feather it down. You guys. And then there's like a hole. There's a hole here. There's a hole here, right? Right. So there's a hole there. Take the hot cocoa again and kind of do that. Then going with black again. Look like I'm drawing a 6 on my face, honey. Let me just feather this down. Then I'm going to probably take that same black down my nose. I'll use a different brush. This brush is a Motives brush, and it's just really nice and tapered. So I'm going to use that brush, and I'm going to be going in with Deep Plum actually here. Alright, this is the brush that I use to do my all over face. Just go on the hair a bit, then blend out here. And my biggest challenge is going to be doing the teeth things. I'm so nervous. Should I go up with them? Alright, I'm going to use a black eyeliner pencil. This is actually from Sasha Cosmetics, and I'm going to sharpen it. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me look at how they do their skull teeth thing. Google skull makeup. Start looking at some images. Oh, always start to be black too. That's a bit okay. Oh, they just like draw lines. Okay. Alright, so let me just go back in with the Buttercup pressed powder. highlights, so they just look like they just draw like lines. I need something to be close to me. Do I come all the way down and like match it? Okay. God, I suppose it doesn't look like. I'm so nervous. The black. Oh Lord, it is not looking nowhere near. So I look like a scarecrow, so I guess I'll be a scarecrow or a skull crow. I don't know, honey. I think I'm going to stick with this palette, and I'm going to go in with brown. Ooh, I need this brush, and I'm just going to feather these together. So this is a clean brush that I'm just using to blend these colors together. Yeah. This gonna turn into a scarecrow, honey. I don't know. I guess now that it's a top 3, you guys actually knew what I was going for. Should I do pink? Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of pink to bring this color down. Then I'm going to go in with red. I know what song is stuck in my head. We are one in the spirit. We are one in the Lord. But then because my makeup looks like this, it sounds scary. We are one in the spirit. It just sounds really scary. I've been doing a lot of red lately, and I just recognize it using this red. Like a lot of red. So I think I'm going to get a brush like this and kind of feather, like to aggressively blend everything out. Ooh, I could also use this big brush. I'm going with hot cocoa again. I'm going right under here, and then after hot cocoa I can go in with black to kind of, you know, give a little dimension. Ooh, I'm gonna need a shower after this look. So now going with black. Okay. So for the eyes, ooh, I can do. It's my black primer from LA Girl. Ooh, I could come in mirror. And I'm bringing it further down. Alright. Now I need a brush, so I'm going to take this pencil brush and just blend out the edges. Start blending out the edges and kind of pulling it out, and I am loving how this is looking. Now I'm going to do some mascara. Not sure if I want to do lashes, but I know I want to do mascara. I don't have much lashes for mascara anyway. Ooh, I am digging of this look. Alright, I think I want to add more like this color. This is called Berries. You guys, this is the look. What do you think? I love how it came out. It was supposed to be a skull. I guess I have to practice off camera to do that. So it was supposed to be a skull. Y'all saw my efforts. But it turned into this beauty. I love it so much. Alright guys, so I blackened my teeth with some eyeliner. And then I'm going to be using Mayron's Stage Blood.